He was in the running for Danville mayor. Now he isn't, and he's pursuing legal action. Good evening. I'm Marley Capper. Jessica has a night off. 3 people have their name in the hat for Danville mayor. Incumbent Ricky Williams Jr., Jackie Vinson, and Jacob Lane. 2 of them are only in it now, and Lane is fighting to get back on the ballot. Jacob Lane was taken off the ballot for Danville's mayor after he was challenged. Mayor Ricky Williams Jr. claimed he did not have enough valid signatures.
Mr. Williams was completely within his right to file an objection to my petitions.
But Lane claims the objection wasn't handled properly by the Election Commission.
There were several statutes that were violated by the Election Commission in the process of this entire complaint.
Lane claims the first violation was the Open Meetings Act rights. He says the commission met on December 14th and he wasn't alerted.
You can clearly see through my screenshots that I have, the agenda was not posted 48 hours prior to that. I had no knowledge they were meeting on the 14th.
Lane says he was only told about a hearing on the 21st of December where he could present his case on why he should stay on the ballot.
But to me, that doesn't make any sense because you've already convicted someone. It's like going to court, finding someone guilty, and then allowing them after that fact to make their case.
Lane says his second complaint was about Williams' objection. He claims it was not time-stamped.
It's got a date on it, but it doesn't have a timestamp on it, so we have no idea when that document was actually received and if it was received by the deadline that it was supposed to be received by.
Lane also says that when Williams filed complaints about specific signatures, he spelled voter names wrong, but the commission still took them off Lane's petition.
Mr. Williams listed the wrong name. It's not their job to help Mr. Williams out by removing them. When he filed the objection, it was his job to get the names right.
Lane says that even if part of the objection was correct, meaning that a signature was invalid, in his mind, the whole objection should be thrown out because of his claims against the Election Commission. We reached out to the election commissioner. She says Lane has every right to take the decision to court. We also reached out to Mayor Williams and have not heard back yet. Lane says he's waiting for a hearing date.